Anti-corruption watchdog National Integrity Action NIA wants the Integrity Commission to provide an update on investigations into corruption and mismanagement at Petrojam. Executive Director of the NIA, Professor Trevor Monroe, said the agency should work to be more transparent.
That has now been investigated and the report completed. It was said that it is being forwarded to the Director of Corruption Prosecutions, and that is some weeks ago. We need to know what are the next steps in relation to the matter of Petrojam, which correctly attracted much public attention, especially following the Auditor General's report, which was made public in December of last year. And I want to stress that openness on these matters is vital to the Commission receiving the public support which we want and wish it to receive the trust necessary to effectively fulfill one of the principal objects set out in the law, Section 3 of the law. And that principal object is to enhance public confidence that acts of corruption will be appropriately investigated in a manner which achieves transparency, achieves accountability, and achieves fairness.